Hello, everybody. I'm TC Jones, and today we're going to do a Plainsong, and we're going to pick the Ionian mode. And for those of you that don't know what the Ionian mode is, it's the natural major scale, and it came from the culture the Ionians created. And the Ionians were a city-state in the Asian Minor, about 650 BC, and it's this scale, and we're going to do it in B flat today. So as and it's the do re mi fa sol la ti do scale, right? That's going to be our mode. And so you want to be familiar with all of those notes. And this piece is going to be considered an authentic cadence. So that means that the tonal centers happen at each end of the melody. So if the melody is this wide, the tonal centers are there and there. That's an authentic melody. And I'll explain later what that means, but you have authentic melodies and you have plagal melodies. And this is going to be an authentic melody. And it's going to be in the female vocal range. And the female vocal range, remember I told you, is from middle C up to here. And we could extend it a few notes. Okay, this can go down there, and this can go up. But basically that's the range. And so our melody is going to be in the middle of that. And I got to figure it out. So when you write a Plainsong, you just try to find a simple little tune. Very simple tunes. And these are fast. You'll do them fast. So that's my key. So if I go... I like that little phrase. And then I could answer it, right? So now I would have a... Let's see. And then back to my first statement. And then I kind of want to cap it to a cadence. So... be something simple like that. So that's 4 bars. So yeah, well, I didn't get it quite right, but that's basically it, right? So now I want a little bit different phrase, and I want it to have a different rhythm. So I'm going to do this. No. I like that. So, you could always hear the drones of bagpipes or something. Although I don't think they have bagpipes in Ionia, but maybe. So it's a... Then I want to repeat that rhythm. Because I want to go down there, so it sets me up to kind of get to another possible cadence or prolonged cadence. So let me see. So okay, that's nice. And that sets me up to repeat my first melody. So let me see if I can remember that little half. So Yeah. Okay, so that kind of gets me to the point now where I can play the first part again. So that's what you should do with the Plainsong. You should just sit and just hash out a little melody. Okay, and so that's what we did. So let's see. Something like that, yeah. Okay, so that's what I think is going to be our little piece. And so I'm going to try to play it. I'm going to try to play it all the way through, and so that you can hear it. And then when we're done with that, we'll figure out what our next move is. But we're going to start with this little simple melody, right? So. Okay, so that was the melody. I could have played it a little bit better, but remember, we're composing. So that's the first voice. Now we're going to go put a second voice to that. And just so you have an idea where we're going, we're going to combine them and put it to picture. You'll see, I explain it later, but that's what we're doing. And the reason being is that's what we're learning, how to use the guitar to score film, television, video games, or even concert music. Okay? So that's what we're doing.